Did you know that not all fats are created equal? In fact, healthy fats can actually help boost your metabolism and reduce inflammation. When we talk about healthy fats, it's essential to understand their role in a balanced diet. Unlike unhealthy fats, healthy fats provide energy, help absorb vitamins, and support the health of our cells. They're also important for brain function and the production of hormones. The idea that all fats are bad for us is a common misconception. This misconception led to the rise of low-fat diets, which often replaced fats with sugars and refined carbohydrates. These swaps didn't necessarily lead to better health outcomes. In fact, many people found that they ended up gaining weight and experiencing more health problems. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. You can add avocados to salads, smoothies, or toast for a nutritious and filling snack. Nuts and seeds are another excellent source of healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are all high in healthy fats and can be easily added to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Olive oil is also a healthy fat that's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It's perfect for cooking, making dressings, or dipping bread. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are not only rich in healthy fats, but also high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients support heart health, reduce inflammation, and promote brain function. Including healthy fats in your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. They can help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Healthy fats also support brain function and may even help reduce the risk of dementia. Additionally, they can help with satiety, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. By incorporating healthy fats into your meals, you can experience these benefits for yourself. Many health experts agree on the importance of healthy fats. The key to a healthy diet is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and to include a variety of healthy fats. This advice is echoed by many other nutritionists and health experts who emphasize the importance of balanced eating. To summarize, healthy fats are a crucial part of a balanced diet. They provide energy, support cell health, and can even help with weight management. By incorporating sources like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish into your meals, you can experience the benefits of healthy fats for yourself. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite sources of healthy fats? Share with us in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about healthy eating, check out our video on healthy eating tips for more advice.